Hey, this is Nina Neski with Worship Piano Tutorials, and today I want to show you how to play the song Hidden by United Pursuit. Got requested so many times, so I'm excited to show it to you guys. And before I begin, I want to remind you that I'm giving away a free chord chart where it has all the chords of the piano so that you can look at it and play any song. It is super helpful. So go to worshippianotutorials.com and you can get that there. So the song introduction is really calm and it kind of sounds like this. Super quiet. Super quiet like that. I'm like avoiding pressing on my pedal because it's kind of squeaky. I don't know if you can hear it, but anyway. So you can kind of, you could think of it as like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's kind of how it makes sense to me, like 1, 2, 3. That's how I know when to switch to the G sharp or the A flat. Sorry. All right, so the chords essentially are B flat. They're all flats, so you're not dealing with any sharps necessarily. So you have your D flat and then A flat. Again, you have your D flat, A flat, and then E flat. Oh, that's for the verse. Sorry. Introduction, you have your D flat and then A flat, F minor, which is this chord, F minor, and then your E flat. So those are the introduction chords. So pretty much you're playing D flat, your A flat, again D flat, A flat, again D flat, A flat, F minor, E flat, and you switch your right hand over to B flat here, and again. But you're playing this very gently, like super quiet. That quiet. So that's really quiet. Anyway, you can go back and view that again in slow motion by clicking on the gear icon and selecting your speed. To kind of look at that again. And so now I'm going to go into the verse, and the verse consists of D flat and then A flat. Again, D flat, A flat, and then E flat. So that's kind of how it goes, and I'm going to show you. So, as I grow, as I change, may I love you more deeply. I will lean upon your grace. So notice that my right hand is literally just switching up between these two keys, and my left hand is the only one that's switching chords. I will lean. Ending. Sorry, I don't really know my lyrics. So you got your D flat. Goodness is unending. So you got your A flat. You're still keeping your finger on the A flat, and then when you switch to E flat, you're switching to the B flat here. Ending. Okay, so that's kind of how you do the verse. You know what? I just realized that I'm in verse 2. Goodness gracious. Okay, so, but you get it. Those are the chords. That's how you're playing for verse. Super calm. It goes same for verse 1 and verse 2. Okay, it's the same. And then after verse 1, you have an instrumental, which is the same as the introduction. So, trust in. Introduction or instrumental. Okay, and then you go into the chorus, and guys, honestly, the chorus is the hardest part of the song. It took me so long to fully understand, but there's something about this rhythm that's like da, 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 da. Like you have to be so on top of the rhythm all the time because it's like na, na, what I would recommend you do is literally sit like that and do that core rhythm over and over again. So what you have here is it's practically the introduction is what you're playing for the chorus. So you have you're keeping your finger on A flat here. So the only time you're switching your keys with your right hand is when you get to that E flat. Okay, so once you get that core rhythm down, then you could move on to like playing octaves. You can get more powerful as you practice this rhythm, but honestly, it comes down to that like core rhythm and then placing it together with the lyrics. That's also a challenge because the lyrics are kind of random in all the choruses and they're all different. So it really takes some practice if you're singing, especially. If you're not singing, just stick to this rhythm and you're going to be fine. Okay, so after the introduction, after the first verse, then you have the instrumental, then you have the chorus, and you're pretty much singing like, now I am hidden, safety of your love. I trust your heart and your intention. Trust you completely. Listening intently. You guide me through these many shadows. So you watch as I pause because I'm like looking at the lyrics. What are the lyrics again? Because they're really different. So again, let me do that again. So now I am hidden. So one thing that I noticed in chorus 1, instead of doing the 1, 2, 3, 4, they're doing 1, 2, 3, 4. They're kind of leaving the A flat without playing it a second time. So kind of like in the first chorus only, just to keep it more simply. So you could do that. So now I am hidden in the safety of your love. I trust your heart and your intentions. Trust you completely. Listening intently. You'll guide me through these many shadows. So honestly, like, I'm personally not a huge fan of this rhythm just because it's so hard for me to focus on like the lyrics because I'm so focused on the rhythm. But if you love this song, definitely go for it. One thing that I'm gonna say is that start playing the piano once you start the lyrics. So the place where I made a mistake most is I would start playing before I started singing. So for example, after the instrumental, I would go like this. Now I am hidden in the safety of your love. I would start the chords before the lyrics, which you can do. You can do that, but it's not going to sound the same as the original. So I trust your heart and your intention. Trust you completely. Listening intently. You'll guide me through these many shadows. You could do that style, but if you want to be like totally like the original, do not start playing until you start singing. So instead of going like, now I am hidden. See how I started playing before? You literally have to miss that millisecond and like, wait. Now I am hidden, the safety of your love. I trust your heart and your intentions. So that makes sense. Do you see that small difference? I hope you heard the difference. So instead of going like, now I am hidden, how we usually would, it's now I am hidden. So to get this to work, you literally have to make sure that you start the piano as soon as you're singing out the lyrics. So that's kind of like the secret sauce to maintaining that rhythm. Like, now I am hidden in the safety of your love. I trust your heart. Okay, Okay, so that's kind of the secret. Anyway, so pretty much the rest of the song, you really don't need me to tell you exactly how to play because it just repeats. The lyrics change, the music stays the same. Okay, so the chorus 3 is like, wanna seek you first, wanna love you more, wanna give you all you deserve. Not that good with these lyrics. So pretty much the music stays the same if you want to add some more beauty to it, right? So I would recommend going up to the higher keys, and you can hear this actually in the original where they go up, and let's say what you have to keep in mind is which black keys are black, right? So you have your, flats. You have a lot of flats here. And actually, another song. Anyway, so you go to the higher keys here, and so you have your A flat and your B flat that we played, so you can even play that. So kind of play it higher, right? Just kind of add more. You can do full on chords, so if you want that fuller sound, you can definitely add chords to make it more fancy. You can add some kind of flowy style, but honestly it's kind of hard in this song because of the fact that it's such a rhythmized, like it's kind of impossible to add like the flowy style. But definitely go up in the keys, play the same thing but higher, play octaves to make it sound prettier, and then remember the dynamics, playing quiet and then getting loud. Okay, that's really going to help you, is kind of having those dynamics, getting quiet and loud in this song especially. And of course the ending is so beautiful. It's just really quiet, and it's like, you can even do octaves. Now I am hidden, the safety of your love. You notice that the rhythm is not super clear cut, and you're not playing super clear. You're kind of keeping it super mellow and unclear, like, now I am hidden in the safety of your love. I trust your heart and your intent. I trust you completely, listening intently. You'll guide me through these many shadows. Just playing really calm. Anyway, so that's it for this song. It is beautiful. The words are beautiful, and I hope that you minister so amazingly, whether you're on stage or you're in a small group. And if you want to transform your ministry and you want to learn what to play in different situations like sermons or during prayer, how to do spontaneous worship on your own time, as well as with an audience, go to pianoministrycourse.com where I teach exactly all of that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.